Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix black screen on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Right, so first of all, go to Steam or Battle.net, right click on it, properties, and then install game files and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe you have some corrupted files that need to be fixed. And then go to general and also make sure to disable a game overlay as well. Right? Because sometimes overlay can cause black screen issues. So if you use, for example, Discord, Steam with an overlay, GeForce Experience with overlay, it can cause this problem. So I suggest you first is to disable all overlays, or simply quit the apps and then start the game and look if you have this problem or not, right? And if it's not the case, then we can proceed with another methods, right? First of all, open up settings. Then you need to go to gaming, game bar, make sure you can turn that off. And then go back to game mode, make sure game mode is on, and then captures is off because it's overlay. Also, it can cause the problems, right? And then another thing that you need to do here is to open up graphic settings. On graphic settings, you need to find Call of Duty here. Make sure to set to high performance and select don't use optimizations for windowed games, right? And then unless you play on windowed game, on windowed mode, then you need to go to Steam, right click on it, go to properties, go to installed files, browse, and then you need to look for Call of Duty exe file. So we need to look for exe files, should be somewhere here, called exe, right click on it, then show more options, properties, compatibility, run this program in compatibility mode 4, Windows 8, and select these two options as well, right? And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, you can try to run the game. If you're still getting the issue when the game is running, but with a black screen, open up Task Manager, then select the game. Let's say, let it be this game is Call of Duty. Then go to Details, then look for code exe file, right click on it, and then make sure to set priority to high. And you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, always make sure that your operating system and your GPU and drivers is fully updated, because sometimes also drivers can cause the problem. So go to settings, go to Windows Update, check for updates. If there is an update, always install. Same thing with your GPU. Open up Device Manager. On Device Manager, look for your GPU. On display adapters, right click on it, update driver, and update it, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it.